Hello students, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes. It's my pleasure to be the founder of Evershine Coaching Center, and today I am going to give you the very important information about class 12th board exams 2021. As today the CBSE and the ICSE class 12 board exam 2021, there is a very big important announcement, breaking news, that is CBSE CISE class 12 board exam 2021 has been cancelled and students are promoted. Class 12 exams have cancelled as India's second COVID wave worsens. This announcement was made by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on June 1st, 2021. Given the present worsening situation of the COVID-19 pandemic in the country, the CBSE board and the ISE board has decided to cancel the class 12 board examination. This decision was taken because of uncertain conditions due to the COVID-19 and based on the feedback from different stakeholders. CBSE and CISE board class 12th exams has cancelled. Let we have a short top developments. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, after the cabinet meeting, said that class 12th exams will not be held. Instead, all students will be promoted. Students should not be forced to appear for the exams in such a stressful situation. This statement is given by Prime Minister Office. The CBSE will now take steps to compile the results of class 12 students according to well-defined objective criteria in a time-bound manner. Health and safety of students and teachers is our topmost priority, and there will be no compromise on this aspect. Like last year, students who still want to take the exams will be given a chance when the situation improves. Details for the same will be discussed and worked out with experts. Some problems are arised after taking this decision, further raising questions about the fairness of the internal marking system, and the class 12th marks are very important, as you all knows it is very important. And here the students who have come from the background of rural areas, who have migrated to cities for the junior college admissions where cutoff marks is renowned colleges, are very high. The safety and well-being of our students and teaching faculty is of topmost priority and paramount importance. Okay, I hope this information is very helpful for you all and wish you all the best of luck for your upcoming future. Still, if you want to watch this type of news and also the important updates, videos, passing packages, etc., do subscribe to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes and keep watching. Wish you all the best of luck. If you have liked this class, click the like button and share this video as much as possible. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.